everyone to Solar LPG plant. At least it's not warm anymore. Jokes apart. My immense gratitude to all of you for having gathered with us on this historical moment for BPCL. As you all know, some of you might know, I am Leah Joseph, HSSC officer here in this plant, and it's my honor to be standing in front of you today. Without much delay, let's start the program. A very special welcome to our chief guest, Sri Rajesh L. Kumbare sir, State Head LPG Karnataka. Please welcome him with a big round of applause. Also with us is someone who is known to everyone in Solar plant, Sri Vivek Iyer sir, Business Development and Network Manager, LPG Karnataka. A warm welcome to you, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome our trusted distributors who have taken their time off and come here to join us on this day. Please, I welcome all of you. And my dear colleagues who has been working very hard behind organizing this event for the launch of composite cylinders. So now let me introduce you to the star of the show, which is Bharat Gas Light. As the tagline says, it is a perfect
Lights, man. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries.
Ready, sir.
फर्स्ट टाइम इन द कंट्री फॉर भारत पेट्रोलियम वी आर लॉन्चिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. बहुत दिन से मोस्ट अवेटेड था, वो फिल्म होती है ना, मोस्ट अवेटेड. सो दिस वाज द मोस्ट अवेटेड थिंग, बट टुडे वी ऑल आर लाइक प्रिविलेज दैट वी गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, and I'm very happy that such kind of very new or something different product is being launched in the market like Bangalore. You know, Bangalore is one of the most happening place in the country. So as territory is also most happening territory in the country, and I'm very happy to announce and say that for this year, at least in LPG, whatever initiatives has been run, except barring one or two, all initiatives we have taken at our territory, and more to that, we are the most successful in those initiatives. So that's all because of you all. And now with this historical background, I am very much sure that this product we are launching in the Bangalore market, and in this also we are going to rock, and we are going to be number one all India. So again, it goes with customer choice. Slowly we are planning to provide this kind of cylinders to each and every distributorship. So today just a launch. So as a pilot, we have selected 4 distributors based on the geography, and I'm sure these 4 distributors, they are definitely going to take this initiative further. So my best compliments to all of you and all the best to all my distributors. And once again, thank you very much for being, associated with Bharat Petroleum and always contributing for the success of Bangalore territory. So thank you very much.
Very good evening to everyone. Once again, very happy to see you. Some of the faces yesterday we met, at least in different formation. But today, many faces are known to me. Yesterday we met. Bharat Petroleum is known for what? Captain, this is a new product. First time in India, we are launching in Bangalore. Why in Bangalore? Not because it is a happening place, but because of you. Because any initiative company brings here becomes successful, and therefore the initiative is brought here. There are many other places bigger than this. Bombay is there, Chennai is there, Madras, Delhi is there. Why don't we headquarter goes there for launching this product?
Because we are Bangalore.
No, because of my distributors. They are so innovative, they are so receptive to new ideas, they are very open, they embrace the change. That is why all new initiatives are brought here. And I am very sure, as we have made the other two initiatives in this year, say in and out stores, Urja Devi, these are the two new initiatives we have brought in Bangalore. And we are rocking. Not only Bangalore rocking, entire Karnataka is rocking. That मुझे पता नहीं कर्नाटका की मिट्टी में क्या है, डीएनए क्या है, यस डीएनए क्या है. अब डीएनए बोलेंगे तो पॉलिटिक्स बिहार की तरफ चले जाएगा, इसलिए वर्ड यूज नहीं करूंगा मैं. बट समथिंग इज डिफरेंट in Karnataka and particularly in Bangalore, and that's why all initiatives are launched here. I am very happy in launching another initiative, another product in Bangalore market, and that's very rare to happen in LPG.
Would like to, which I expect from you to push slightly in the remaining 10 days. One is the energy efficient hot plate. If you do some small push, probably will be number one. Now you want to be number one or number two, you let me know. नन्ना कुमार जी नंबर वन. सो एवरेस्ट पे कौन सबसे पहले चढ़े, जो भी है. इफ यू आर नंबर वन यू विल बी रिमेंबर्ड, इफ यू आर नंबर टू नो वन विल रिमेंबर यू. सो लेट गिव द फाइनल पुश टू द एनर्जी एफिशिएंट हॉट प्लेट, विल बी नंबर वन. ओनली मार्जिनल पुश इज रिक्वायर्ड. आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट यू कैन डू दैट, यू विल बी डूइंग दैट. Second is the TBC. Marginally we are missing the target. Marginally we are missing the target. I don't want my team such a
Thank you, ma'am. Next we have Sri Raksha Gas Agency. Someone from, please come forward.
So with this, with this, Pratik Gas become the first distributor of Bangalore territory and all India. Who is built? She is built for this. So hope, madam, this will be a memorable event, and your sale will be memorable for all India.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, Navodaya Bharat Gas. Thank you, sir. Next, Mahalasa Bharat Gas. sir. Request our plant manager Sri Narendra D. Singh sir to please give away the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. So first of all, today I would like to express my heartful gratitude to our management, BPCL management, who has given us this opportunity to launch this composite cylinder. This is the first all India launch here. So that should be the benchmark, and that should be the great beginning of these cylinders. So I think this has already started. Now many milestone we will achieve and years ahead. So, and I would like to express my thanks to our state head sir, who has come here during this event and guided us, to all the distributor who came and participated in this event, and all others those who are the part of this event. So I would again express my gratitude to all the people who are gathered here. Now I think we will go for the flag off of the trucks there, so everyone can move there for flagging of the trucks. Thank you.
ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ